I'm here today on this initial inspection and consultation for unfortunate reasons. A client had another company come out for a insulation removal and replacement and disinfection and cleanup, what we call an attic restoration service. However, the company, and this happens all too often, did not keep their end of the bargain and left all of this old insulation all along the outer perimeter of the house. Now their scope of service said removing all insulation and replacing all insulation. Sadly enough, now they have to call us to finish the job. This happens all too often because most of the time, companies that come out and do this type of work are looking to cut corners, either on insulation quality. They will use tap insulation or fiber blown insulation, and that's just poor quality. Or they just won't remove a lot of the hard portions of the insulation. And the client doesn't get video or picture confirmation that the insulation is removed. And of course, most clients don't come up in their attic to double check. Therefore, ethical issues are always a concern when dealing with insulation removal and replacement. I'm fortunate enough to say that Versatech Pest Management would never leave a job like this. So we're here today to hopefully fix and turn this customer into a happy one.